Hey guys, what's up? I went to the mailbox and I got a package. This should be my fan club EP from Hanson.net. Every year they put out an EP exclusively for fan club members of 5 tracks. And so I wanted to do an unboxing. I don't really like calling it an unboxing video just because it's not in a box. That's obviously just me though. I have little weird quirks, as I'm sure you all do. That just happens to be one of them. This year's EP is entitled The Sound of Light. Ooh, I like the cover. That's awesome. This is 2013 membership EP. The tracks are, excuse my blind moment, I'll try to read this. Call Out My Name, On and On, Roller Coaster Love, Best of Times, and The Sound of Light. And, oh, we got a new membership card too. Sweet. They just did this last year, but I guess we're getting one every year now. Sorry for the glare. And, see if I can do this. I like the black one, I really do. So let's open this baby up. I've never been good with CD openings. Just hoping I can get through this without getting aggravated. It's worth the aggravation though. New songs and I've been made aware that there is a certain aspect to this particular EP that hasn't been done before. I've been told about it, so I look forward to seeing it. Okay. Seriously? There we go. So here is the CD. I'm going to try to get it out to show you. So, as with any Hanson CD, you have the Hanson logo. I really like this color scheme too. That's really cool. And where is the booklet? There's the booklet. Here's the cover. And the rest of this is just general information. But, okay. Let me read you this. And again, excuse me having a blind moment, but I can't help it. I'm legally blind. The Sound of Light is a collection of songs written for Hanson.net members and recorded with a live audience at the 2013 Hanson Day Members Only event weekend. On each of the songs, The Sound of Light, you will hear Hanson.net members singing along as an audience in a tuned choir. The Sound of Light is a perfect analogy to describe the relationship between a band and their fans. On stage, it is not just the songs, but the interaction between you, the audience, and the music that makes a moment that can last a lifetime. Recording this year's EP was so special because we had members joining us, sharing in the creation of something new, lending their voices to each song. And when they say members, they mean fan club members. And, ooh, we have track listings, yay, because sometimes I need that. And this is going to take me a while. This is a list of everyone that attended the Hanson.net 2013 Fan Club Members Only event weekend. I was there, as were several of my friends, so I am on this list somewhere. It's probably going to take me forever and a day to find my name, but it's going to be really cool. So that was the Sound of Light unboxing. Everybody have a good day.